This is the iPhone 13 Pro unboxing. So I picked up the iPhone 13 Pro in the Sierra Blue colorway, which, might I add, is pretty much sold out everywhere. I chose it first off because I really like the color blue, and it also looks different compared to previous iPhone colors. Believe it or not, this is actually my first new phone ever. The phone that I'm currently using right now is an iPhone 7 Plus that my dad used for a year. So it was super exciting for me to unbox a brand new iPhone. Looking at the box, there's just two tabs on the back that were super satisfying to pull off in order to unbox the iPhone. Now for the moment of truth. So you may not know this because I muted the audio, but I was so amazed by how stunning this phone was. Right out of the box, it looked like a piece of jewelry. Granted, I haven't had a new phone in over 4 years, but I was still in awe. Also, can we please take a moment to acknowledge how freaking big this camera bump is? As of recording this voiceover, I've been using the phone in a case for a couple of days now, and even in the case, the phone still doesn't lie flush with a flat surface. But once I took the phone out of the box, I just had to remove one sheet of paper off the front screen, which really emphasizes how committed Apple is to the environment by giving you so much less now. Also inside the box is the Lightning to USB-C cable for charging and a small package of paperwork. Inside the package is a SIM ejection tool, some basic warranty and setup guides, and the most important thing of all, the Apple sticker. I just wish the Apple sticker matched the color of the phone. Like, could you imagine a frost blue shaded Apple sticker? And that is pretty much the unboxing of the iPhone 13 in Sierra Blue. But since I'm such an Apple fanboy, I also picked up this silicone case in Abyss Blue to complement my brand new iPhone. But this thing is also not that cheap as well, judging by the $70 hole that's in my pocket. The box is pretty simple to open with just a small pull tab on the back, and once the top flap is open, there's another tab to pull the case out of the box. And I'm just gonna say, this is probably my favorite shade of blue for an iPhone case, hands down. Alright, enough about the color blue. Let's get onto the case itself. On the inside of the case, you can see that we got a MagSafe outline and a microfiber lining to prevent scratches on the back of the phone and to be compatible with the fastest slow charging for an iPhone. So now we're putting the iPhone 13 Pro into the silicone case, and it's just a matter of snapping the top corners in first before the bottom ones. And when I put it on the 13 Pro with the Sierra Blue sticking through the camera bump, it looked so freaking good in my opinion. And my first impressions with the case were that it felt really good in the hand. Like, I didn't feel like I was gonna drop it, and the buttons were also really clicky as well. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for much more iPhone content coming your way. As always, gently tap the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell to be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.